Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. Students, as we know that your chapter number 5th is in proceeding. The name of this chapter Rocks and Minerals. And now today I am going to explain about your exercise of this chapter. Your first exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct word. Students, in this exercise you have to choose the correct option and you will fill on the blank space. First is all rocks are made up of. Your options are mineral and ores. Which option is right? Your option minerals is right, so you have to fill the minerals. Spelling of minerals Minerals. And now second is the surface of the earth is called. Your options are core and crust. Which option is right? As we know that the crust is the earth's surface, so you have to feel the crust. Spelling of crust crust. And now third is your options are granite and limestone is very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. And which option is right? Granite or limestone? As we know that the granite is a very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. So you have to feel the granite. Spelling of granite Granite. And now fourth is your options are sedimentary and igneous rocks are always formed in layer. Your options are sedimentary and igneous. So as we know that the sedimentary rocks are always formed in layer, so you have to fill the sedimentary. Spelling of sedimentary Sedimentary. And now fifth is your options are metamorphic and sedimentary rocks are formed due to the physical and chemical changes in exciting rocks. Which option is right? As we know that the metamorphic rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in exciting rocks, so you have to fill the metamorphic. Spelling of metamorphic Metamorphic. And now students, your second exercise, write T for the true and F for the false statements. Here the some statements are given. You have to choose which are right and which are wrong. So for the true statement you have to mention the T and for the wrong statements you have to mention the F. And first statement is pumic is the only rock that can float. Pumic is the only rock that can float. No, S. Pumic is the only rock that can float. So you have to mention T. And now second, steel is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. Steel is often used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. No, because the marble or granite used to make kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. So this is your wrong statement. So you have to mention the F. And now third is gypsum and mica are metallic minerals. No, gypsum and mica are not a metallic mineral. So you have to mention the F. And now fourth is bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. Yes, bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. So you have to mention the T. And coal and petroleum are form of sedimentary rocks. No, coal and petroleum are not a form of sedimentary rocks. And now next is your third exercise, choose the correct option. In this exercise you have to choose the correct option and tick the correction mark. First question is which of these is not a layer of the earth? Your options are A core, B gneiss, C crust and last mantle. So as we know that your option B is right, so tick on option B. And student, your question second is which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? Which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? As we know that the obsidian is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy. So your option B is right. And now third, which of these leads to formation of metamorphic rocks? Your options are A. Physical changes, B. Chemical changes, next effect of heat and pressure on rock, and last all of these. So as we know that your fourth option is right. And now fourth is which of these minerals are used to make building materials? Your options are magnetite and bauxite, limestone and quartzite, gypsum and calcite, marble and shell. As we know that your option D is right, marble and shell. And now fifth, which of these material can be used to make a magnet? As we know that the nickel can be used to make a magnet. So your option number A is right. 6. Which of these is commonly used for flooring? Your marble is commonly used for flooring. So your option B is right. And now which of these can be used to make a magnet? Your options are iron and coal, B. Iron and nickel, C. Cobalt and gold, and all gemstones. As we know that the iron and nickel is a can be used to make a magnet. So your option B is right. 8. Which of these is not a gemstone? Your options are ruby, emerald, topaz, and gold. As we know that the ruby, emerald, and topaz are a gemstone, and the gold is a precious metal. So your option number D is right. And now your next exercise is match the column. In this exercise you have to choose the correct option and match to each other. First is gneiss. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock, so you have to match with the C. And second, mica. Mica is a non-metallic mineral, so you have to match with the E. And magnetite is a metallic mineral, so you have to match with the D. And fourth, conglomerate is the sedimentary rock, so you have to match with the V. And fifth, obsidian. Obsidian is a igneous rock, so you have to match with the A. And now your next exercise is very short answer type question. And first exercise, give two example of the following. In this exercise you have to give the two example of each. First is minerals used as building materials. Students, which minerals used as building materials? As we know that the slate and marbles are used as building materials. Slate and marble. And next, ores. What is ores? Magnetite and bauxite is ores. And third, precious metals. As we know that the gold and silver is a precious metal, so you have to fill the gold and silver. Fourth, gemstones. As we know that the ruby and emerald is a gemstone, so you have to fill the ruby and emerald. And fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are coal and petroleum. And now student, this is your last exercise. Give one word for the following. In this exercise, you have to give the answer in one word. Question is molten rock found inside the earth. When a molten rock found inside the earth is called magma. Spelling of magma MAGMA. And now second, molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth. Molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth is called lava. Spelling of lava LAVA. And third, rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks. Rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in older rocks are called metamorphic rocks. And 4. Substances that make up rocks. Which substance that make up rocks? As we know that the minerals make up of rocks. And 5th, a substance that can attract iron. Which substance that can attract iron? As we know that the magnet that can attract iron. So now repeat again. In the first question, answer of first question magma, and the answer of second question lava, and the answer of third question metamorphic rocks, and answer of fourth question mineral, and answer of fifth question magnet. Now students, I recommended that you have to must watch my previous video, and you have to write in your the all exercise related to this chapter you have to write in your HW copy. And goodbye, take care till then. Now we will meet again in my next video.